traders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about Babydoge coin, guys. Babydoge coin is going to moon. Very congratulations to all Babydoge coin holders. Absolutely, Babydoge coin holders, you are going to the moon. So very congratulations. Anyways, in this video, I'm talking about shortly about the Babydoge coin, that what will be the next move, what's the price. Let me show you. At this time, guys, if we talk about the current price of Babydoge coin, so 0.000001678 USD dollar, that is the current price of Babydoge coin. And other side, 4.47% the price changes become positive. So this means that they are going to positive, and absolutely possibilities that for a long time Babydoge coin will continue this pump. So just hold for a long time, I also recommend. And another good news for all of you is that guys, in the last week of, now it's the beginning of the last week of October, and I believe, as you can see here, the trading volume is positive. So it's clear, guys, that the price will huge pump of Babydoge coin is coming soon, and possibilities, guys, that now from tomorrow they start pumping, guys. And to the last, to the 31 October, you found Babydoge coin positive, guys. So guys, now I recommend, I suggest for all of my viewers, for all of my subscribers, that it's time to hold, not to sell, guys. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your price prediction for Babydoge coin? Share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.